Hey, I'm Gregory Patterson, celebrity stylist and DIY expert with Sally Beauty. Now, Sally Beauty is your destination for all things hair, hair color, for your spring trends. So make sure you go on over to our YouTube channel and live in the wonderful world of all things DIY University by Sally Beauty. Here you are going to find so much information, so much content about how your hair works, how hair color works, how to determine your hair goals, your hair type, and what colors to use. We're even going to help you build your own personal DIY toolkit. And while you're there, I also want you to live in the wonderful world of hair color. So check out our Strawberry Leopard collection, including 18 shades of vibrant, rich, beautiful tones that are perfect on their own and completely customizable. And to support that and make that color last longer and stay truer and vibrant, Strawberry Leopard has launched its new hair care collection. You can find it on the shelves at Sally Beauty. A beautiful collection to keep it vibrant and rich and enduring, which is incredible in the world of hair color. And also, you can't have wonderful hair color without a fabulous hairstyle. So while you're there at sallybeauty.com, make sure you check out our new tools like our Deep Wave Adjustable Waver here that's going to give you that on-trend mermaid hair look. It is perfect for spring going into the summer. And if you have been challenged with blow drying and round brushing your hair, your problems have been solved. Our new 4-in-1 styler is a beautiful blow dryer on its own, included with your diffuser and your dryer nozzle attachment. But here's where the magic happens. Your hair automatically will wrap around this wand, creating curl while you style your hair. So yes, we have everything you need always at sallybeauty.com, where you can shop 24/7 for all of your DIY essentials this spring. And make sure you go over to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and hit that notification button. You don't want to miss on any of this rich content. I will see you over there.